Hey guys, welcome back to the video. In this demo, I'll show you guys how to block any HTTPS site from SonicWall. Since this PC is connected to SonicWall Router, we can configure that on our web. Let's type cmd command prompt and then try to find what the gateway IP value is. So we can do IP config. We see that the default gateway value is 192.168.19.1. So let's go to our website, type that in, enter. Should give us this login page where we can put our credential. And once you log in, you should see an interface that allows us to play around, create rules, change any settings, add WAN or LAN, configure all those things. Let's go to manage. At manage, click at rules. When you create rules, this is where we can add any rules that allows us to either block certain website, certain command, certain DNS, anything that we think of pretty much. Let's add a rule. Click add. Let's say we're trying to block any HTTPS website, right, for port 443. So you can name a rule something like block HTTPS services. In action, we should deny the website that we're trying to access. We're going from LAN, from our side to the outside world, to WAN. Source port should be any. And then services that we're trying to block is HTTPS. So let's find that in our list. It should be located somewhere. So we can block a bunch of things. We can block DNS. There are a bunch of services, the FTP, GRE, HTTP, HTTPS, all these things. So in this case, we're trying to block HTTPS. So let's use that. And then the source should be, we could technically click any, but since we're trying to block HTTPS from all the devices connected to our SonicWall, let's select LAN subnets, anything that's connected to this SonicWall router. And then destination should be any as well, that's going outside the world. Any website should be blocked. We have these extra setups options available, but we don't really have to worry about this. We can just add the rule. So click add. And close this tab. You can see that we have added a rule to block HTTPS services. Action is to deny, and then we have enabled this feature. So let's go to new tab. Let's type in something. So cnn.com is one of the website. Should be blocked. I don't know why it's not blocked. Let's see. Maybe it's taking some time. Let's see. Let's go. What else we can think of? Reddit.com. Yep, as you can see that we have successfully blocked reddit.com. We can, what else we can think of? chess.com. chess.com. This is another HTTPS website, which seems to be working for some reason. .com. Let's open incognito mode. Maybe it has to do with some sort of rule. See, we have blocked chess.com as well. Now let's type in cnn.com. Should also be blocked. Yep. Yes, it doesn't support secure connection with HTTPS. I guess when we try to open up service from here, it has cache memory, so it just opens up there. But when we try to open incognito mode, it should block all the website. What else we can think of? bankofamerica.com should also be blocked. Yep, Bank of America is also blocked. So yeah, pretty much we have blocked any website, HTTPS website, because of this rule. Now let's test one more thing. Let's create one more rule where we can block ping as well. So for example, let's see, we can ping 1.1.1.1, right? It's a public DNS provided by, I think, Cloudflare or something. So this is one of the public DNS, which when we try to ping, it does returns the value that it actually is working. So let's try to block that one as well. So let's add a new firewall rule. Policy name can be block ping. So action we're trying to do is deny from LAN to WAN. Source port, again same thing, any. Services should be, earlier we checked HTTPS, this time we're gonna do ping. So ping, click ping, and then source should be alien softness or any. You can choose between two. Let's choose alien softness in our cases. Destination, anything that's going outside, right? Any ping that we type in outside the wall should be blocked. We don't really need to configure this again. So let's add this rule. Okay, we have added the ping command as well as a rule. Block the ping command. Let's go back to ping. Now let's try to ping 1.1.1.1. See, earlier it did responded, but this time it says request timed out, simply because we have created a block rule. Let's try one more. Ping 8.8.8.8, which is Google's DNS value. It should also be blocked. Same thing, request timeout. So yeah, as you can see that we can create a bunch of firewall rules in our SonicWall router.